Okay, so ladies and gents, we're ready to start putting our video together. We should have our stills loaded in up here in our library window. Now you could, if you wanted to, do this for the 144 pictures all of you seem to have, pop them in individually. But that's going to be really tedious. The quickest way to do that is to select all and drag them down. Now on the board I have this command written down, but I'll also say it out loud here. To select all things in an area, first click where you're going to select, and then say Windows plus A. It should highlight everything, and you can drag it all down at once. Ta-da! You'll notice, though, when I actually play my video, things are really slow. And if you look at my actual video, I'm zooming in slightly in and out with every picture. Now, typically for stop motion animation, you don't want that. So to remove that, you're going to, again, want to select all. So that, again, is Windows A. And notice I'm clicked down here so that I selected all the pictures down here below. See how it's all yellow? And then I'm going to go up to the crop button, which is up here at the top of the screen. I'll zoom in so you guys can see. So everyone see what that symbol looks like? That's your crop. Now the reason why it's zooming in and out is an effect called Ken Burns. And you can see that's selected right now. And it goes from the the white circle, oh not white circle, white rectangle to the dotted white rectangle as a zoom. We don't want that movement. So to take it away, rather than Ken Burns being selected, you're going to go over to Fit. And then when you play your video, you'll notice this time your pictures are still. Hooray. Second issue with our stop motion is that all the pictures are way too long. They're about 4 seconds apiece. Now you could do this the long way and go in and smash them down so that they're smaller until they're approximately 0.1 seconds apiece. And then that's fast enough. But again, that's really time intensive. So again, you can select all, Windows A. Notice again, I've highlighted, that highlights everything at the bottom. I'm going to go up to the I at the top. And over here is a button that says duration. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to change it to 0.1. Now, when I play it, everything's playing smoothly, no zoom ins, no zoom out, and now it's playing quickly, so I have that illusion of movement. As you guys put your pieces together, you may want to start stretching out, making some moments longer than others, depending upon what you want to appear longer. So feel free to experiment. Stretch out the ones that you want to stretch out. You are to add music and sound effects to it. So remember, music sound effects, you can just grab and drag down your music to that bottom layer. Whoops, I need to drag this down. There we go. However, for sound effects, remember you can go to sound effects, give it a second to load, and it should load up your sound effects. And then you can decide what sound effects you might want to do, like if you want hard rain in the background, or an alarm clock when something happens. Here you don't drag it to the bottom, you drag it over what picture you want it to add to. So for instance, if I want this alarm clock bell to happen at that picture, and it'll attach to that. Questions? Cool. I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to